Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about some professional problem and solution. So many people reached out to me regarding the problem related to profile, project or management. And I won't say I'm the right person to answer this. Maybe they have reached out to me because I talk about inside organization more frequently on my channel. So they thought like I may answer them. And of course, I will answer to their question. But before jumping into the solution and problem, I just want to clear this out that today whatever solution I'm going to provide, it's completely based on my personal experience and my connections or my friends' personal experience based. So maybe after 10 years, whatever solution today I'm giving, after 10 years, if you ask me the same question, my answer may vary. So presently I am not that experienced and I am, so I will be able to answer you more accurately. I won't say like that. So those people who are watching this video expecting that this video is going to be motivational kind of video, then no guys, this is not a motivational video. This video I'm going to talk about the problem, industry problem and solution and very straightforward answer. So let's get started. So the first problem, I have noted down my solution on my, I have made a script of that. So I'll be taking up the solution from my script so that I will not, so that I could not mess up the things. So the first problem is related to the profile, the project related problem. Some people they feel like they are not happy in their project or profile. Both are same. Either you are not happy in your project or profile. So what could be the solution for that? See, if you are not happy, and first thing I would like to say that don't just judge yourself very fast, like within a week or after spending a month or 2 months. You should not make decision very fast. You should give time to yourself in the project or in the profile, then make a decision that whether you are liking that or not. So if you are not happy with something, then you will not give your 100%. So it's better to find out the solution for that. So what solution I'm going to give you is whatever I found it in my experience, in my 3 or 3.5 years of experience. The solution number 1 is communicate with the right person. In the right means at the upper hierarchy. Communicate the managerial level hierarchy or the people who have so much of experience in your project. Communicate your problem with them. The person may be your manager. If he is your manager, then it's really a good option. Because until or unless you are not communicating with the right people or the managerial people, then they will not get to know whether you are happy or not. And they will be thinking like, maybe you are not putting yourself, enough to complete your task. So they make your assumption in a different way and you are thinking about yourself in a different way. So you should be very transparent to the organization. You should be very transparent to your managerial level people, especially your manager. You should have a good bonding and connection with your manager. So communicate with the right person and they will definitely help you to find out the right path. Now solution number 2, apply internally. You can apply internal job. Suppose you are in an organization, there is a job opening. So you can apply over there, whatever's profile suits you, you can apply over there. The solution number 3 is contact hiring manager among the same, in the same organization. Yeah, in the same organization, you can switch from one project to another. Some of my friends have done this before. They wanted some different location. Their problem was they did not wanted some location. They wanted a different location. So through their friend, they came to know that there is an opening in some project at particular location. And when they came to know about there is an opening, there is a requirement of some fresher, then they directly contacted the manager of that project through their friend. Means their friend was in that project, their friend informed him like, hey, there is an opening in my project, you can come to my project. So they contacted the manager, and through the manager they got hired into that particular location and into that particular project. So these things can happen internally inside the organization, which can be done very easily. It's not that tough. Now the last option which you should keep is switching your company. If nothing is working out, then because switching is little bit tough, because here you have to prepare, you have to make your resume, you need to study, you need to know about your project, and then you need to make a move to switch to different company. So solution number 4 is switching, which is at the last. First, try out those 3 solutions. If those are not working out at all, then go for the switch. Okay, so this is the solution for profile or project based problem if you have. So this is my personal experience based solution which I want to give you. I would like to add one of my experience, like the profile based experience. You know, in my previous company, while I was working, I wanted something, I wanted to work on something, like my profile was FSD, but I wanted to you know more and more about the things, and I wanted more and more tasks. Then what solution I found, I approached is, I contacted my first tech lead, and then my manager, then a senior manager. I went to senior manager and I found the solution, and they helped me out with the solution. So if you are communicating with the people, then you will definitely get the solution. So you should speak up in your project if you are facing any issue, and if you want something else, or if you want to work on something else. Now let's talk about the management issue. I have personally not experienced that much, but few of my friends have shared their experience related to management stuff. So yeah, it is very tough if you are not in a good management team. So it becomes very much difficult for you to work. Then what solution they have they have shared with me is, one of my friend, he directly approached to his manager and senior manager, and he speak up, like suppose there was a problem related to his working hour and all that stuff. Then he went to his manager, he speak up, it's going to the working hour is too much for me and work pressure is too much for me. So for him, they figure out some of the solution for that, and they resolve his problem. So until unless you're not speaking up with the team, then you will not find the proper solution, even if it is related to management. Now the second solution is, the second or last solution is, you can switch. If you are not comfortable in talking to your management, but you should be, because switching is like, you are running away from your problems. It's just like that. Maybe in the other company you will face the same problem, right? So you need to speak up. You need to start speaking up in front of your management, so that they will get to know, yeah, they are not doing something correctly. They may think about that, and they may give you a right solution for that. So this is what, in my personal experience base, these are the solutions which I want to give you. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.